In front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now, before creating a new one, you can tap on those three dots at the top right one. Select settings and adjust all of those under alarms however you want to. Then go back, click on this plus at the bottom in the middle and set tap an hour. When you finished, hit OK. As you can see, my new alarm was successfully created. Now to customize it, adjust all of those options however you want to. At the top you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then tap on days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones, and even exclude some dates by tapping on this plus next to pause alarm, picking a date that you wish to exclude or multiple, and select OK. To delete it, use remove button right next to it. Now by tapping on those two icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant routine, you can disable or enable haptic feedback and also add or remove your alarm from your routine. Then click on this little bell. If you want to, you can click on one of those sound sources like Spotify Music to download it. If you don't want to do that, select Dismiss. Now to use one of those platforms, click on the chosen one at the top, log in and use music from it. You can also select sounds, tap on Add New and pick any song from your smartphone by clicking on it. Lastly, if you don't want to do any of that, just click on one of those sounds, like for example, oxygen. Now to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. To switch off or on your alarm, use this switcher right next to it. To edit it, click at the top right corner and manage all of those options. And to delete it, also click at the top right corner and then at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!